In this video, I will show you how to access Flux Pro V1.1 Ultra for free. Type Glif on Google. You can sign in with your Google account. After signing in, click on Build and then click on the plus sign. And now, select Image Generator. Here, type your prompt to tell the AI what image you want to create. Here I will type, a beautiful girl with her cute puppy. Let's use the three models. Flux Pro V1.1, and Flux Pro V1.1 Ultra. Let's try the first one with Flux Pro. Not bad! This is free to generate images, and it's better than other image generators. Now let's try with Flux Pro V1.1. It looks good, but the image quality isn't that great. Let's change the model to Pro V1.1 Ultra. This model takes a little longer than the other models to generate images. Flux Pro 1.1 Ultra is the best AI image generator so far in terms of quality and capabilities. It offers higher resolution, up to 4 megapixels, RAW mode, more natural-looking images, better prompt adherence, closely matches input prompts. Let's see the results of the three models. If you learned something from this tutorial and found it useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos so you can stay updated on the latest AI image and video generators.